So in this video, you'll learn how to enable the SIM pin on your Samsung Galaxy A26, A36 and A56. So the first step is to open settings and then select connections. Under connections, tap on SIM manager and then scroll and select more SIM settings. From here, look for SIM card security and tap on it. And then you have two categories, SIM 1 and SIM 2. So if you want to enable the SIM pin, just select the SIM card and then tap on the toggle next to lock SIM card to enable it. Enter in the current SIM pin and then tap on OK and it will be turned on successfully. So this means now whenever your phone restarts or you power it off and turn it on again, it will always ask for your SIM pin as well as your pin password or pattern so that it adds an extra layer of security. Thank you for watching. If you have any questions or comments, leave them down below and we'll get back to you.